Hi everyone! I know it's been an age, I'm so sorry. I don't know, I've been so useless with doing videos. Life gets in the way, doesn't it? So I'm trying to get myself back into the habit of doing videos. So I'm just filming like a nail at a time of a few of my clients at the moment. Just to kind of make the task a little smaller and easier for me maybe. I don't know. Is it a mental thing that I've got to get past? So this week I filmed a few videos and I'm just going to share them on my YouTube. I'm going to do reels on my Instagram and also little step-by-steps on my Insta and socials as well. Just doing very simple kind of like the basics. So this is a video this is a video for multi-cut glitter, encapsulating it in acrylic. And just a quick note to say, I've got 4 dogs sharing the bed with me right now. That's right. I'm not filming this. I'm voicing over at 6 in the morning. And I've got my 2 dogs, and then I've got their 2 friends that come to stay every now and again. So Lyra and Daisy are having a lovely play in the background. So if you can hear that, I'm really sorry. But they're living their best lives right now, snorting and snuffling and wrestling all over the place. So to the nails. Stop waffling on, Lucy. Oh, lovely ear flappies in the background too. So to the nails. I have removed the previous set. I got confused as to which nail I was working on, as you can see. So I then changed to a different one. So I've removed that previous set. Taken down the previous colour. I've then come in and done my natural nail work prep with my e-file, and now I'm using my hand file, and then I'm just going to reshape because the client asked for round nails. And then we're going to go on to prepping. So I use my dehydrator spray. You can also use dehydrator in a bottle, but it's all pretty much isopropyl alcohol and the same thing. So I just use my prep spray, and then I've come in with my acid primer, and then I'm just going to get a small bead of clear acrylic, and I'm just going to apply that to the base layer so that once again we've got a nice clear base to work from. You can see the odd bits of red and blue and stuff from previous acrylics. It's still a really thin base, so I'm not worried about them, and they're not going to show through. Oh my god, they're really going for it back there. I'm so sorry. I'm then going to pick up a small bead of clear acrylic, dab it into my multi-cut glitter, and then I'm going to place it on the nail. I place it in front of the cuticle a little way down so then I can kind of push it back towards the cuticle. I do use quite big, like when I'm looking at this now, I'm so sorry, Daisy is a growler when she plays, and I think Mr. Pickle's about to join in too, so it's going to get really loud in the background. I'm so sorry. I've just noticed I use quite big beads of glitter and acrylic. If you're quite new to encapsulating glitter, just use smaller beads of clear and less glitter. Small steps, less is more. So it's really tempting to get a big bead of clear, smash it in that glitter, and then try and do it all in one bead. That can end up being quite chunky and lumpy and not a very smooth application. So if in doubt, small beads, a little at a time. So once I've finished doing the rest of the nails on that hand, it's given a chance for that clear acrylic that I use to apply the glitter to set a bit. I'm then going to come in and cap that. So you want to make sure that you get a nice sized bead of clear, and you want to make sure that all of that glitter goes this lovely matte finish, because then you know you've encapsulated it properly in acrylic. So if you've still got any shiny bits poking through, make sure they're all fully encapsulated, because you don't want to be filing into them. As you can see, I do often use a little bit more than I need, but it's really easy to just wipe away. And I kind of rather use a little bit more than keep going back and forth, but it's whatever you prefer to do when it comes to your capping there. They're going to file these into shape, so I did a very rough rounded tip. Yes, I've got 3 dogs wrestling, and Max is just sat next to me going, "They're so loud, mummy." So yeah, so I'm then going to file this in. So I perfected that rounded shape, and then I'm just doing my usual filing technique around the nail there. Fully dust it off. I put some Swarovskis on that other nail, and then I'm just popping on the top coat. And then once the top coat is cured, give it a little chance to cool down, and pop on some cuticle oil. And we're all done. So this is a set I did, as I said, this week with some multi-cut glitter. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I feel I then need to share, this is the wonderful Max snoozing next to me. He was recently joined by my lovely Lyra. She came to live with us almost a year ago now. Max loves his flower pot, and this is the pair of them together. As some of you might know, I lost my darling Evie a year and a bit ago, so it's been lovely to have Max have a new partner in crime. I think this is why I've been quite quiet as well, obviously, because losing my little girl was horrendous for me. So I spend a lot of my time walking my puppies and having a lovely time, and here I just wanted to share a little video of us out walking the other day and everyone having a little fun out in the woods locally. I will try my hardest to be more present and sharing more. I'm sorry I've been so quiet recently. I hope you're all keeping well, and if you have any requests for any videos you'd like to see, do shout out, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.